All right, I'm going to quickly cut across to our reporters right there. Prema Rajaram joining us from Bakura. Prema, over to you. You did mention that there was a little hiccup with the EVM machine, I beg your pardon, the polling machine there, a little earlier on this morning. If you can take us through if all is fixed. Has polling begun? People have cast their vote. Are you seeing large numbers? What's the enthusiasm?
Well, Nabila, here people are still grappling with the fact that they have to wait for more than an hour, and some have come in way before 7 o'clock, and polling has not yet begun because of a problem in the VVPAT. So people are frustrated. Some of them have even gone back, hoping to come back later, but to cast their vote. Some have even called the helpline numbers, but are not able to get through anyone. One polling booth, one polling booth voting has begun, but the other two polling booths voting is yet to begin. I'm going to speak to people and ask them about what they have to say because they have been here for a while. आप यहाँ पे कब से हैं और यहाँ पे क्या कहा जा रहा है आपको?
हम 7:30 बजे से खड़ा है, हाँ अभी तक ये ठीक नहीं हुआ. कितना खड़ा रहेगा हम लोग? बुरा आदमी है क्या करेगा बोलिए. आप बोल रहा अभी ठीक ना बोला है, अभी तक कोई नहीं आया तो क्या करेगा? हम लोग घर चला जाएगा.
आपको क्या कहा जा रहा है?
वो बोल रहा है खबर दिया है लेकिन अभी तक कुछ खबर नहीं है. तो हम लोग बोले दरवाजा बंद कर दीजिए, बस उन लोग अंदर ही रहे. ये तो बदमाशी छड़ा और कुछ नहीं है.
So angry voters here wanting to cast their vote but saying that why is the voting not yet begun? Why has the presiding officer not taken note of what is happening at this point in time? And we can see that they're trying, as far as the polling agents are concerned, trying desperately to get things in order because of angry voters waiting to cast their vote. As far as Bakura is concerned and allegations by the Trinamool Congress, Nabila, like Paulami and Indrajit was saying that Trinamool Congress has alleged that there are CRPF personnel who are preventing voters and threatening voters in Bakura constituency as well as threatening the polling agents. These are the reports and allegations by the Trinamool Congress in Bakura. And when we talk about Bakura, it's the star candidate Shantaka Banerjee from Trinamool Congress who's contesting here. The seat was won last by the Congress. But when it comes to the people of Bakura, they are not new to star candidates because Munmun Sen from the Trinamool Congress had won the Lok Sabha seat in 2014. But right now what they're saying is it's not about the star candidate, it is about the issues here and which candidate is going to be working to solving those issues. So that is when it comes to Bakura and the star candidate and how people are looking at this election. Back to you, Navala.
Right. Here we're looking at some hiccup with the VVPAT machines, like you just mentioned. Has anyone from the Election Commission come forward? The officials there, are they checking on those machines? Because we're looking at similar situations in Assam as well. A few polling booths there, EVMs, the polling machines not working, VVPATs not working, and this is really time consuming for a bunch of voters and demotivating for quite a lot of them, a few of them even returning back.
Absolutely demotivating for them because some of them have been waiting since 6:30, hoping to come cast their vote in the first half of the day and leave. But they have to return. Some of them have returned and are hoping to come back later to cast their vote. However, there is no word yet from the polling agents and the other officials as to when voting will begin and when people can cast their vote. So angry voters here asking why was this not looked into earlier? Where was the presiding officer? And when is voting actually going to begin? Because no answers are being given. As far as the polling agents, as far as the officials here are concerned, they're saying that they're looking into this. But during the mock drill, they found that there were issues with the VVPAT, and that is what the question is, that why was that not taken into account before voting began or when voting was to begin. In fact, when voting was to begin around 7 o'clock is when the officials told the voters that there is a problem with the VVPAT and it will take time. It's been more than an hour. People angry at what is happening, and a lot of them were senior citizens wondering when this issue is going to be resolved. And of course, as far as the presiding officer is concerned, he is the main person who is going to be the person who is solving this issue. But people angry at what is happening at this point in time. Back to Navila.
Right, Prema, do stay with us.